welcome back to Miss Cha's Kitchen. This is your girl making stir fry. So you guys, your girl's broke. So from today onwards until month end, our meals are below $5. So with this meal, it is just $2 because we bought our meat for $1. We bought our greens for $1. So with $2, we've made a meal. That's about like 40 rand. Girl is enjoying on a budget. With that being said, let's get into the video. So this meat that I bought, guys, it's cheap, yes, but it also has its struggle. You can't just fry and eat. It needs to be boiled because it's very hard. So I'm just going to light my candle that I bought in Mr. Price Home, and yeah, it smells amazing. And then I'm just going to have a brutal fruit while we are waiting for the meat to boil, because it needs like a 20-30 minutes for it to be soft. Otherwise, if we just fry, we're having raw meat. But if you have the good type of meat, at this stage you skip the boiling, you just start frying. Right? You don't boil. If you have the high quality meat, you don't boil. You just start the video from the frying part. Okay, guys, so this is us slicing our greens: green pepper, red pepper, yellow pepper, and the onion. That's all we're using today. I'm now going to fry my meat. So for everyone with the high quality meat, you start from this part, from the frying. But those like me that bought the dollar meat, you start from the boiling part. You feel me, guys? Then we're going to fry our onions, green, red, and yellow pepper. After our meat has the perfect browning that you need, I'm using my favorite spice, which is the vegetable seasoning. Guys, I love vegetable seasoning. Like, it does it for me. And then we're going to add a bit of cayenne pepper. I think I'm now getting addicted to cayenne pepper as spice on its own, because I can't cook anything without it. Then we're going to use our 7 gun. Guys, use whatever you have, whatever spices you have and whatever spices you like in your kitchen, use those. But if you want to have the video as is, continue, come with me, guys, let's do this. Then we're going to use the stock from the boiled meat. If you don't have the stock, don't worry. You take your cube boiling water and you use the cube to make the stock. So we're now going to save our food, guys. I boiled my rice, but I had a bit of peas left over and I didn't want it to be bad, so I just added it in the rice. But yeah, this is me saving. I'd never done this plate thing. I'm in love with it now. As this meal was amazing. Like, I feel like making it again this week because I really enjoyed it. Please tell me what you think after trying this recipe. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share. Guys, let's reach 1,000. Your girl's struggling. She needs the 1,000 mark. Anyway, I love you guys so much. Please do stay tuned.